This is Partha once again. So on my last video, as I promised that I'm gonna come back, so I came back this time. So you know my video, it's regarding the hotel management tutorial. So congratulations for those of you complete their board exam for the CBSE, for the ICSE, and for the West Bengal board for the 10+2. So guys, those who are thinking that to join in the hotel management section, this video is for them, especially for the food and beverage service. So guys, very first of all, if you like my video, please share my video, please comments on my video. Okay, so as this is the first class of the hotel management section for the restaurant section, so guys, this is the course, the hotel management course or the hospitality management after 10+2. It's gonna be for 3 years. So the course duration, it's gonna be like this. The first years you're gonna be in the first year you're gonna be in the college. The second year, 6 months, it's gonna be in your industrial training. The first industrial training, it's gonna be in one of the 5-star category hotel. You're gonna work over there all the major department. As I mentioned on my previous video, there's a 4 major department. The front of the house, I mean there will be the guest services or the front office. There will be the food and beverage service, food production, and also the housekeeping. This is the 4 major department you're gonna work over there. So basically, like on the first industrial training time, how the hotel they are giving the option, 4 months you can work in the 4 major department, and after that rest of the 2 months the hotel give you the option where you like to work. And sometimes the hotel put you in the last 2 months, another 2 months, another department, I mean where they need the manpower. Or some of the hotel they are doing, as it is a 6 months, so they are doing the 1.5 month for one department. Like this, for 4 department you're gonna complete 6 months, and next 6 months you're gonna be in the college. So your second year is complete. Now is a very important, it's the 3rd year. Some of the college they are giving the option for the second industrial training. Now the second industrial training, as you already complete your first industrial training, if you go to the hotel and the hotel allow you to do all your training in one specific department, they can do, or they can give you the same option like the previous industrial training. And the last 6 months you're going to be in the college for your final semester or the final exam. And during the final exam or before the final exam, you're gonna get your campus interview, those where you can get your job. Now, as my video is regarding the food and beverage service department, if you go to the food and beverage service department, or when you will go through the course, the college they're gonna teach you about the food and beverage service. The first one, they're gonna teach you the communication, because it's very, very important for the communication in the food and beverage service. Because those who are going to the food and beverage service, you're gonna be in the front of the house all the time. You have to talk to the guest or the customers. Now for the food and beverage service, it's basically the restaurant section, restaurant or the bar section. For the restaurant, they have a different dividation. Like they have the coffee shop, they have the multi-cuisine restaurant, they have the buffet restaurant, they have the specialty restaurants, and for the bar they have the pub, they have the discotheque, they have the nightclub, and also they have the room service. This is the food and beverage service department. For this department, as I mentioned, they're gonna teach you about the communication. So they're gonna teach you, they're gonna tell you to do the group discussion in the college among your friends. So you're gonna be very proactive regarding your communication. The second thing, they're gonna teach you about your grooming. The grooming means how your nail looks like, how your hair looks like, how you should dress up when you will be in the hotel. Like dress code, it's gonna be very, very important, because it's showing the hotels how they are treat with their guests or with their customers. Because if your dress looks like messy or it's wrinkled, it looks not good. You cannot impress any of the guests. So guys, be very careful about your grooming. And the third and the very important is the hygiene. How you keep your hygiene very safe, like your hair, once again your nail, your body odor. You have to keep this all this thing balanced. You have to very proactive regarding this. And the next one, the operation wise, like when you are working in the hotel, how it's gonna be the service done over there. This thing they're gonna college gonna tell you. The first, they're not gonna straightly take you to the practical class. First they're gonna give you the theoretical idea. Like if you see in a restaurant, you're gonna be very impressed. You're gonna see they have the different kind of spoon, fork, or the plates. This spoon, fork, or the plates, they have the terms for the hotel industry, for the restaurant industry. The spoon, forks, knife, it's a cutleries. Okay, this is the call. It's a British terms. So it's come, or you can say it's European terms. They are using the cutleries. Also in the Indian industry, hotel industry, we are using the same terms, cutleries. So all the equipment like spoon, fork, knife, they call it's a cutleries. The spoon, fork, they have the different kind of a categories. You're gonna see on my video. I'm gonna show you all the pictures, how the spoons and what the spoons looks like with the names. And they have the you'll see the plates, the bowls. It's made with the bone china. This is called the crockeries. And the crockery, they have also the different size for the different food preparation. So they have the main course plate, they have the dessert plate, they have the salad plate, they have the soup bowl, they have the pasta bowl. Lots of different kind of crockeries. So guys, please maintain these two terms, the cutleries and the crockeries. This is a very important terms for the food and beverage service. Then if you see on the table, there is a salt and the pepper. If you see the salt and the pepper, they have a special terms also. If you go in the hotel and if you say you are working in the hotel, if you ask to your colleague, give me the salt and pepper, it sounds very bad, because you are a professional. You should use some professional terms. It's called cruet set. Please remember these names. It's called cruet set. So you learned 3 words. It's a cutleries, crockeries, and the cruet set. This is the basic things. So on my video, as I mentioned, you're gonna see the different kind of cutleries, different kind of crockeries. Guys, please go with all this video, and I'm gonna show you more video. On my next video, I'm gonna give you the information about the glasses. Okay, what are the types of glasses, because glasses are very important section. If you see the hotel, if you go to the hotel or any restaurant or any pub or any bar, you're gonna be very impressed. Like you're gonna see different kind of a glass. What are the glass for which purpose? I'm gonna give you all the information. And the glass is very important because they have the different kind of a measurement, different kind of volume. So on this video, I'm not gonna give the information about the glass. I'm gonna give you the information only about the cutleries, crockeries, and this cruet set. Guys, please go with all the picture. If you want to keep this picture with you, you can do also. If you like my video, please subscribe my video. Please forward this video to among your friends. Share this video. And if you like my video, please click on the bell button, so I can, when my next video will come, then automatically will gonna get the notification. And please guys, if you like my video, comments on my video, so that what are the things you want to know more about it, I'm gonna give you the information. Thank you.